Good to be here. Magnus told me when things started, never go to things without bringing something, a hardware. My name is Björn. I come from CyanConnode. Really interesting to hear about all the talks today here. I will tell you a bit more about what we do and advocate a bit about 6LoWPAN. So before today, how many have heard about 6LoWPAN? Okay, quite many. How many have used 6LoWPAN in projects or whatever? That's not too many, sort of a handful. How many have used LoRa or heard about LoRa? I guess it's the whole bunch. That I would say that's the main difference between LoRa and 6LoWPAN. It's the marketing and the packaging. And we actually work really hard with our partners to change that going forward.
Could you take the mic a little closer?
Yeah, I will. So I'll flip by, you flip. Oh, thank you. So I'll tell you a bit more about our biggest project that is rolling out right now. Maybe you heard about it. It's the SMIP project in UK. It's 30 million homes that will connect 55 million electricity and gas meters over the single one same networks. It was launched last week, 8th of November. So it's up and running. They have 1,000 servers running all over UK, connecting all different meters of the future. And what we have done an infill solution for the cellular network. So everywhere there's a not spot or a sort of where you can't reach with the cellular network, we provide connectivity by 6LoWPAN. The good thing is that it's needed to prove in scale. This will roll out with about 50,000 units a day. We're proven our solutions for a number of million units over the same sort of network. So it's not a technology issue anymore. You have the security, you have the scalability, you have everything you need to build a scalable network. But just as when internet started, who marketed internet from the beginning? Anyone has a clue? It marketed itself by users wanted to get online. We don't have that with 6LoWPAN today, unfortunately. But we will work and ensure that there is a sort of stronger drive for interoperability and providing sensors onto the network. So, if I can get the next slide some way. Oh, sorry. I don't see it here. That's why. One of the biggest challenges when building smart grid or smart city networks today is that most are built by building stovepipes. So you don't have any communication between sensors or between different parts in the network. Norra Djurgårdsstaden was mentioned as one good example of a network in Stockholm. It's built that way. You can't communicate between a HVAC system and some other kind of sensors in network. Impossible. So if you want to scale something, you need to build interoperability and be able to share the communication infrastructure. And that's where the interoperability of 6LoWPAN becomes really interesting going forward. I haven't heard of any other narrowband technology that exists today, which is based on full IP addressing and full security solutions, and which is scalable, which is sort of a narrowband IoT solution. We have LoRa, we have Sigfox. None of them have IP addressing. There are excellent networks, but we don't think that will be the scaling solution of the future, and we hear more and more voices talking in the same direction. I don't talk against LoRa, but if you look at the Ericsson Mobility Report, you see that definitely the growth will be in narrowband solutions and non-cellular objects, and I think that everyone should start looking into IP-based communication solutions as well as one of the possible solutions for the future. What we do together with Intel, Ericsson, and a number of others in Kista is that we have started Urban ICT Arena, which is like a test bed where we will test and prove interoperability on an open network. So if you want to join in or look more into this, contact Petra or contact me, and I sort of introduce you and see what we can do together. Thank you very much.